Hello, crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share a look at some of the fabulous new products from the latest release by Stacey Park in collaboration with Sizzix. This release is packed with fun and festive items, including stamps, intricate dies, versatile nesting dies, and bold word dies. You'll also find some fantastic standalone embossing folders as well as embossing folders that come with coordinating stencils, perfect for all your Christmas and holiday themed projects. Well, in today's video, I'll give you an overview of the products included in the collection and will be showing you a few cards that I've already created using these products. I'll be sharing detailed tutorials on how I made a few of these projects in my upcoming videos later this week. Before we dive in, I'd really appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That way, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get started. In my set, today I have two absolutely beautiful and versatile nesting dies. We have a fabulous stamp set, which is perfect for your Christmas and holiday theme projects. Two absolutely beautiful stencils, one of which comes with a coordinating embossing folder and a wonderfully intricate background die. Now, if you visit the Sizzix website, you will find a few additional products that are part of this new release. So let's start with this gorgeous intricate background die called Wrappings in Trim Front. This set includes three separate dies that create delicate backgrounds and playful trim designs. You can even use these die cuts as stencils, which is one of my favorite ways to stretch the use of these background dies. Another great technique is to use them for adding subtle texture to your card panels by creating a faux embossed look, something I love incorporating in my projects. The main background die you see here is slightly smaller than a standard A2 size card base, which means you'll get a nice border around that delicate design. Personally, I love having borders on my card front. It adds a very clean finished look and helps ground the entire design. Now, that thin strip of die that you see cuts out little leaves that you can place on the main die, or you could also use it to create borders for your card fronts. Next up, I have two stencils to share with you, and one of them comes with a coordinating embossing folder. Let us first take a look at the one that includes the embossing folder. This set is called Burst of Bright, and it features a clever design that combines deep dimensional embossing with intricate stencil details. It's perfect for adding both texture and vibrant flair to your projects. One of my favorite features of this alignment holes on top of the stencil. Now these stencils, these are designed to work seamlessly with the Sizzix stencil and stamp tool, making it easy to line everything up perfectly. Now, in my upcoming videos, I'll walk you through exactly how to align your paper and stencil to create beautiful professional looking backgrounds along with the Sizzix stencil and stamp tool. While this set is great for holiday theme cards, I think it's really versatile and would be perfect to use year round for all kind of occasions. I absolutely love the 3D embossing folders from Sizzix. They create such a beautifully detailed impression on your cardstock panels. I like to run them through my Sizzix Big Shot die cutting machine, and the results are always crisp and full of dimension. As I've mentioned in some of my previous videos featuring Sizzix products, just take a look at those beautiful packaging. Honestly, it's so eye-catching and it could steal the show all on its own. Well, next we have the A Wreath and Time stencil set. This includes four beautifully designed stencils that come together to create a striking wreath, perfect for elevating your seasonal cards, home decor, and other holiday projects. The stencil features delicate details that allow you to build layered texture and add an elegant touch of your work, making each of these projects feel as timeless as the season itself. What I really love about each of these stencils that it includes coordinating sentiments that you can ink blend along with the wreath. Some of the sentiments include winter wishes, wishing you joy, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. You can ink blend them with your favorite colors or even use texture paste for extra dimension, shine, and a touch of festive flair. I'm so excited to create a holiday card using this beautiful stencil, and I can't wait to share that with you. Well, in my next video, I'll walk you through some fun and creative ways to use these stencils. I've played around with some stunning colors and added a touch of sparkle to really bring the design to life. The end result is festive and elegant Christmas card that I think you're going to love. Now, let's move on to the next product. This is the Holiday Bits and Bobs stamp set. This set is full of charming Christmas elements, including ornaments in both star and circular shapes. What makes them stand out is that each ornament includes not just a simple outline but also beautifully intricate inner designs that can be layered or used on their own to create visual interest and depth in your projects. This set also comes with a coordinating die for the star shaped ornament, which makes it so easy to cut it out and use for your card fronts or even create tags. One of my favorite parts of the stamp set is the collection of sentiments here. The font choices are just gorgeous, elegant yet playful, and the messages themselves feel really thoughtful and heartfelt. They are perfect for sending warm wishes to your loved ones during the holiday season, whether you're making cards, gift tags, or handmade decorations. You can use the coordinating star die to cut out a piece of a beautifully colored cardstock, and right there you already have the base for something special. You could leave the die cut as is and turn it into a simple yet elegant holiday tag, or you could take it a step further by stamping those intricate designs from the stamp set right into the die cut shape. For an extra festive touch, try heat embossing the design using your favorite embossing powders. Traditional holiday colors like red, greens, blues work wonderfully for this, especially when paired with bold, shiny gold embossing powder. The contrast is absolutely stunning and really makes the design pop. You can also experiment with metallics, sparkly finishes, or even ombre backgrounds to give your ornament a rich and luxurious feel. Whether you're making tags, embellishments, or focal points for your cards, this die and stamp combo offers so many creative possibilities. Now let's move on to the nesting dies. I have two set of dies to share with you. The first one is called the dotted top note die. Now the set includes 8 individual dies, each featuring delicate dotted details along the edges. The dies are designed in a unique reversed label shape, which adds a fun twist to the traditional nesting die set and helps you create eye catching designs that really stand out. One of my favorite ways to use this die set is to create shaped cards. Now, whenever I feel like switching things up from a standard A2 size card, I reach out for dies like these. They are perfect for making unique card bases that immediately add interest and charm to your design. I also love using them for shaker cards. Not only do they give a beautiful shaker window, but these nesting sizes allow you to create perfectly matching borders around those windows for a polished and cohesive look. Whether you're going for an elegant, whimsical, or playful design, this die set opens up so many creative possibilities. The smallest die in the dotted top note set would be perfect for creating sentiment labels, which, in my opinion, adds such a nice finishing touch to your card fronts. It's a great alternative to simply stamping your sentiment directly onto the card base or using the usual rectangular sentiment strips. These uniquely shaped labels really help your sentiments stand out and bring out a more custom, elevated feel to your design. The second nesting die included in this new release is a stitched hexagon die set, which features 10 dies in a variety of sizes. These are fantastic for creating layered designs, shaped cards, or even fun shaker cards with bold hexagon shape. Now, I was experimenting with this set recently and I ended up creating a shaker tag. It turned out to be so cute and, well, absolutely playful. I plan to use it on a holiday gift pack this season for an extra special handmade touch. The stitched detail around the edges adds just the right amount of texture and gives the finished piece a polished and more professional look. These kinds of nesting dies are great staples to have in your collection, They are so versatile and offer endless creative possibilities, whether you're making cards, tags, or even layered embellishments. So that was a look at all the products that I have from the brand new release by Stacey Park in collaboration with Sizzix. I have to say I'm absolutely in love with this collection. Every piece is thoughtfully designed and perfect for bringing your Christmas and holiday themed projects to life. From intricate dies to beautifully detailed stencils and stamps, there's so much creative potential packed into this release. Well, now let's take a look at few of the projects that I have created using the products. First up, I have this absolutely stunning card that I made using the Holiday Bits and Bobs stamp set. For this card, I stamped each of those intricate ornament designs onto the background using clear embossing ink and then heat embossed it using gold embossing powder. The result is elegant, shimmering background which instantly gives a festive feel. For the sentiment, I stamped it using black ink and added a layer of black embossing powder on top of it for that glossy dimensional finish. To complete the card, I used the embossed resist technique, blending beautiful shades of purples and blues over the embossed ornaments. For my next card, I used the Burst of Bright stencil and embossing folder combination. I started by embossing a white cardstock panel with the embossing folder. The stencil then fits perfectly into the embossed pattern, just like a puzzle piece, which makes it so easy to align. Using some vibrant shades of orange and pink, which I must say is my absolute favorite color combination, I carefully inked up all of those raised areas of the background, adding warmth and a beautiful gradient effect. Now, for my sentiment, I chose a small, delicate phrase from the Holiday Bits and Bobs stamp set, which complemented the design perfectly without overpowering a vibrant background. As you can see here, I added the sentiment which says to a special friend, which makes this card design incredibly versatile and perfect for just about any occasion. Next, I worked with the A Wreath in Time stencil, and I have to say this card is my absolute favorite among all the projects that I created today. Using the beautiful layering stencils, I carefully recreated the stunning wreath design that is featured here on the packaging. I chose soft pinks and greens for the fresh, festive look, and to add an extra touch of magic, I applied some sparkle and shine to the bow and the berries on the wreath. I finished it off using a heat embossed sentiment from the Holiday Bits and Bobs stamp set, which really ties the whole card together with elegance and warmth. I absolutely love how this turned out. It definitely is my favorite. For card number 4, I used the wrappings and trim front background die. You can see the beautifully delicate and intricate design it cuts out. It's absolutely stunning. You might notice there's some space at the bottom of the card panel. Well, that will give you an idea of the die's size. I didn't trim the die panel at all. It's simply positioned onto one corner of a 4 by 5 and quarter inch card panel, and then, well, I added a little black strip for a striking contrast. For my sentiment, I used the stamp from the Holiday Bits and Bobs stamp set again, and to add that extra touch of sparkle and complement the intricate design, I finished the card with some delicate snowflake embellishments. The combination of texture, contrast, and shine really brings this design to life. Now, when working with such detailed dies, I like to use my Sizzix dry brush tool, which helps gently remove all of those leftover paper pieces to reveal that perfect, crisp background design. I absolutely love how this project turned out. Now, let's move on to the cards that I created using nesting dies. First up is this shaped card, a clean and simple design that's both easy to create and visually striking. To make the card base, I used one of those nesting dies to cut out a shaped card from the top folding A2 size card base. Then, using the same die, I cut out a separate panel to layer on top. One of the things that I love about this die set is the beautiful etched border it creates. It adds such a subtle yet elegant detail to this design. For this card, I used a soft pink cardstock again by Sizzix and stamped one of those snowflakes and sentiment from the Holiday Bits and Bobs stamp set and heat embossed it using gold embossing powder, which I feel adds a lovely festive shimmer and ties the whole card together beautifully. Last but certainly not the least, I have this fun shaker tag that I created using the stitched hexagon nesting dies. I absolutely love how versatile these dies are, from creating unique shaped cards to adorable shaker tags like this one. The creative possibilities are endless. For this tag, I use the nested hexagons to build the shaker frame and the inside. I stamped a delicate snowflake along with a festive sentiment. I fill the shaker with some beautiful shaker elements that add sparkle and movement. It turned out to be so festive and fun. Honestly, this tag would look just as lovely hanging on your Christmas tree as it would be tied to a holiday gift. And that wraps up a look at the new release from Stacey Park in collaboration with Sizzix, along with a few projects that I created using these stunning products. Be sure to check out the Sizzix website to explore the full collection. There's a few more products that I was not able to cover in my video. I will have links to all of those in the description box below. Every item in this release is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for all your holiday crafting, whether it be making cards, ornaments, decorations, or custom gift tags. Don't feel limited to just making a few cards. These products are designed to inspire creativity across your holiday projects. You will find direct links to all the products I shared today and a few of my Sizzix favorites listed in the description box below. Please note that all of those links will be affiliate links, which means that if you shop using one of my links, I get a small commission at no cost to you guys. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.